our friends get those pencils ready, we're gonna be drawing a chicken hawk. So his head's coming here. He's got an arm and he's got another arm and he's got his body with a couple legs. There we go. All right, so to start with, we're gonna start with his beak. His beak is gonna be a line coming up like this and coming around like that. And then it's gonna come back. And then we're gonna have another line coming down, back, and up. Then we're gonna have another line coming around and back up. And we're gonna have a line on the inside of that. Then there's gonna be his chicken hawk tongue and his chicken hawk throat. And there's the chicken hawk mouth. Very exciting. Here's the bottom of his eye. Here's the sides of his eye. His eyebrow comes up and down and then comes around like that. There's his little chicken eyeball hawk eye. Then over here, got another line that's gonna come around and down. And that's the side of his face. Okay, then he's got another eyebrow that comes up and then it comes down and runs into the side of his face. And that's kind of a thick line like that. Then his other chicken hawk eye comes around like that. Here's his little eyeball. And then we have his head. We have some chicken hawk hair. And then it comes down. And then we have another line that comes down. And then that runs into his arm. This is his shoulder. And then he has a line that comes up. And then down here, he's got another, the bottom part of his arm. And then that comes up. And then we have the hand that's gonna come down into the thumb. We've got the bottom part of his hand, oval, oval, and oval. You did it. Okay, now here's the side of the chicken hawk body. There's the top of his leg. There's the top of his other leg. And then his other arm comes down here, kind of under the eye a little bit. We're gonna have an arm that comes back and around with some W's like that, and back. And then it's gonna drop down into this leg like so. So his body's kind of going this direction. Then we have some chicken hawk tail feathers. Like that. And then we have the chicken hawk leg. And it's just gonna come around like that. And then this one's bent. It comes back, around, and around like that. And there, Middle School Art Maniacs is the chicken hawk in all his glory. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and thank you for watching.